Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And guys, our inventory is going to run out on these trucks very, very quickly. This is this one's a 2011 F650 Super Duty, and yep, it's a crew cab. It's got the step boards on it all the way there. Really, really, really good rubber on it. Look, it's got the nice chrome grille. Guys, we just drove this thing in, so it's dirty, but it'll wash right off. Look at the shape this thing is in. Cab corners or the box corners are good. Nobody has run into the side of the thing, smashed it all up. Big old, I'll call it a 50-gallon saddle tank. That might even be a 60-gallon. It's got a Marathon Movers studio body box on it. It's a 24-foot and it's tall. It's got the attic on top there. Height on that is 13.6. That's the tallest you can have by federal law. And it's got the billy storage all along the bottom on both sides. And look at the shape. Did I mention California truck? No rust on him, guys. Solid, solid, solid truck. Let me see if I can get the Okay guys, so hopefully you get an idea about the condition of the rear tires there. They're very, very good. I don't think you have to do anything to this truck for a little while. I think you're going to take this thing home and I think you're going to use it. Hey, speaking of using it, take a look at this. That is a huge platform liftgate. That is actually a pal finger. And what's unique about it is that, looky, you've actually got trailer hitch on there. Once again, here's the inside of this box. You got the steel at the beginning here, solid oak all the way. You got the translucent top. You got 12 volt and 120 volt lighting in it. In order to get the 120 volt lighting, it has kind of like an RV. You just plug a standard extension cord into there, and then you'll be able to operate your 12 volt lights. So the 4,400 pound liftgate has a control right here, and if you haven't had one of these, it's pretty cool. It's got two controls. The top control is tilt, I guess, for lack of better words, right? Up and down. Now, the bottom controls are raise it up and down. Now, this is self-leveling, so watch when I raise this up. First thing that it's going to do is it's going to level itself and then it comes up. Kind of cool. And then when you bring it up all the way, nice, good, quick response. 4,400 pound, that's a nice liftgate. So with this top control here, you can adjust if you have to go to a loading dock and the loading dock isn't quite the same height. You can adjust that up and down to match the loading dock. When you're all done, this here just folds up and it will go all the way up, and it will actually end up being the tailgate. Very cool setup. Very cool setup. So underneath here, there's storage compartments there. There's more storage compartments up front, similar to the other side. But on this side, this one has a couple of extra batteries right there. They're charged. They're charged up by the alternator, just like any other battery would be. Those are just so that in case you want to use it without having the engine running for a little while, you're not going to run the batteries down. It has a door, curbside door. It has a latch over there. Very similar to a semi-door construction. Solid. Look at this thing. There's your attic up there. There's your translucent top. Such a solid rig. All kinds of things to tie to, all kinds of braces and whatnot. You got your tie tracks right there. Such a nice truck. Extra storage down there. It is a 2011, so yes sir, it does take gas. And it is a crew cab. So on the Ford 650 crew cab, the back seats will do this, and that side will do the same thing. So if you need to have storage back there, you can. And it does have the extra running boards on it all the way around. Front tires are good as well. I'm telling you, I don't think you need to do anything to this truck. I think you take it home and use it. Clean. Clean, clean, clean truck. There's a little fold-down armrest right there that you can operate. Floorboards on it are just solid, solid, solid. There's your locks and windows right there. And of course, Ford does make a good-looking cab. I'll have to give them credit. Chrome bumper. It's got the tow hooks on it. It's got the nice chrome grille on it. 6.7 turbocharged Cummins diesel with the Allison automatic. Nice, nice, nice unit. Look how clean. So, air ride driver's seat. Power locks and windows. There's your aftermarket trailer brake controller. This is just a kill switch for the power for the tailgate back there. Look how clean this whole truck is. Look at this. Even got little sunglass holders up in the console up there. Such a nice truck. Super cab. Sound system.
Your money and get it back to where it belongs.
100% functional. There's your air gauge. Again, it has manual brakes. There's your control for the release for the emergency brake, for the parking brake. But it does have air ride rear suspension. Super nice. Really makes it a lot nicer going down the road, both empty and loaded. And your cruise controls built into the steering column. And on the dashboard right there, you see it's just got 132. I'm going to try to get the glare off of it. 132. And that little red light in the bottom right-hand corner, that's just a parking brake. I'll just turn that off for you. Oop, bump the horn, that works. Anyway, solid, solid truck. Super clean, super nice. Look how clean this thing is. It's incredible. Nothing's broken. The plastic is all good on the doors. Marathon box right there. 24-foot box. Extra tall, 13.6. This is a 2011 Ford F650 Super Duty. 24-foot Marathon studio truck, movers body box on a crew cab. It's only showing 132,000 miles. Hardly got any wear on it at all, guys. She is ready to rock and roll. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.